With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon, good morning, good night, wherever you're at. We're kicking the game today. Got stocks down big that we've been waiting for. Matt hasn't been here in a couple of years. Crypto, Bitcoin up 1.26%, Ethereum about 6%, Litecoin over 2, BNB 12, Cake 16. Those are some of the ones that Nick and I are along in the Discord after buying Saturday's slap. Everything's right on schedule. We got lucky overnight. Our stops held. We got extremely close to them, but no overlap, so everything's good here. We will look at BNB for sure. BSV, I'm really not following much. But FRM, I've got the one chart on it. What's up, Mark Sauser? What's Doji? I bought some of that at 33. I sold actually some at 39, bought 33, and then sold 36. Trying to buy 33 again. Let me look at that real quick. Doji, I think, is a zero coin, but I am trading a little bit for a couple clients, doing a few things. What's up, Colin, Chris, Paul? So let's go to the bigger screen real quick. 67 people in here. Maybe need to get a few more people in here. Go to the bigger screen. What's up, Ronnie? So in front of us, Bitcoin USD, Bitfinex. Technometer 41.55. Again, Saturday, these did get down to good levels. One thing I want to show, let's go to Bitcoin USD consolidated, 140 plus exchanges. We'll show the bearish count too. What's up, Craig, Ryan? Bitcoin USD consolidated technometer, you can see that down here. 38.63, I did see about a 38.1. You can see on the OP, the top of the three bottom indicators, collapsing. It's below all these previous lows at 42,000, 50,000, etc. Major selling coming in, that gets an oversold technometer because it's more volume based. While price is holding, now price is turning higher. So if we look at this same chart on a 5-minute basis intraday, you can see, especially here, volume from Saturday smashed down to 50,000 here. You can see volume continues to come into the downside while price holds higher levels. That's extremely bullish on a short-term basis. When volume decides to turn up, price is going to explode higher. So again, we've got stops in, but it looks like we're headed higher. If we go to WWCI, actually let me bring up, I've got some of these already ready to go. Here's the WWCI. You can see here again, the green arrows are when we get oversold technometers and buy points. The thing about this chart again is the OP been a consistent downtrend, and even in the last 4 to 5 days, if you zoom into that, You can see same thing here. This is a composite index of 6 to 8 coins. You can see here volume goes to new lows as showed by the arrows. Price doesn't. That is bullish. That's why we're getting the strength now. Even though stocks are not acting well at the current moment, but we thought stocks had lower to go. If we look at, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum USD consolidated. What up, Bob? Yeah, we just had, it's snowing outside right now here, so. All right, here on Ethereum USD, we've got technometer 43, and you can see again, new low on the OP over the last 3 days while price holds. And that tells you that these prices from last night, let's say around 2 in the morning, when we were under a little bit of pressure, those are important levels. I think they hold, but if they give away, that says the correction has further to go. And we'll look for stair-step downs, but for now, we are bullish, we're long, we're looking for higher. Let's look at Litecoin, USD consolidated. Technometer here, 43 again. You can see the same type of thing. The OP hits a new low last night for this whole move. So continued selling while price holds. That's friendly. Let's look at BNB because we caught that one as well Saturday. Nick bought that at 453, I believe, or 570. Yeah, buddy. You can see our technometer did get below 40 on the break Saturday. We talked on here, Nick had talked about it in the Patreon. We was looking for a way forward to end. It did end, or we're in a triangle, but the good places to buy are behind us. So we got a good trade going there. Let's look at stocks now because we've been looking for lower on the stock market. We've got, here's the SPY. We're short this. We still got small losses on our actual short position. You can see technometers at 44 neutral. SPY looks like it still has more downside. We've got QQQ, which we think is correlated to the Bitcoin. Risk on, risk off. It's a 42.3. Even with today's sell-off, not getting any better, actually getting a little worse. So it looks like more downside on stocks. We've got the Wyckoff Wave Growth Index, will show that. 43 here, same thing, got a little worse today on today's sell-off. So in general, we think stocks have lower to go. We're still long TLT. That one's an extreme overbought, but we kind of thought with stocks falling, bonds could rally here. Volume is coming in, it hits a new high today, so we think TLT could go a little bit higher before we're probably going to take small losses there in our long position from 3 weeks ago or so. And then we've got the dollar. We've been calling for the dollar to turn higher. Got slapped yesterday. Recovering some today. Technometer is back to overbought, so we're getting a little lost on the dollar here. We don't like the action. We're going to watch that one. And GDX, we've been short forever. It is staying strong even in today's market, which again, we don't like. Technometer is trying to come down to oversold, but we're getting a little nervous being short the GDX here. We'll come back here in a minute and go to some individual stocks like Mara. We got quite a few we think we want to go over. Let's go back to SDS, still long. Want to head out of that sometime here soon, I think. S&P down 35 points, Dow down 314, NASDAQ down 157. going to go back and show our Elliott Wave roadmaps that we throw on top of our Wyckoff trades, especially in the crypto markets. Here's our Bitcoin 4-hour. This has been our preferred count for quite a while now. Put that D ending there or actually up here at the top. Personally, for me, it doesn't matter. I think we bought the low for the wave 4 on Saturday smash. I think we're going to dig out of here. So we are long and staying long. Now, if we can't get out of here, today's impressive with stocks down and Bitcoin trying to rally. The other count is we could just go to a new high on this. Now, these counts are not pretty, so we got to be careful. We had another bearish count, which we're going to show here. This means we're in a wave 4, which means Bitcoin stops probably right here in its tracks and then has another breakdown to 46,000, which means our stops that we have in will get triggered for small losses, small profits, etc. But right now with our technometers coming off of oversold, this is not our preferred count. We really need to see Bitcoin though continue higher or we're going to have a problem. And then if we do start breaking down, then we think we got an ABC down maybe to 36 to 40,000. But again, not preferred count. We'll watch that. John Paul, I mean, here is what I just spoke about. This is the count we've been going on for BNB. I mentioned this. Really, I mentioned it around 580 that we thought a wave 4 would start. And then Nick traded that perfectly. And then we were buyers Saturday on the break. So still I would guess that is where we're at here. Hold on, I got to reload. There's Doji. Trying to buy 33 there. Let's go back to BNB again since I got to reload. And again, I know Nick's trying to stay long. There's 577. We're looking for a wave 5 new high as I show here. We just moused around with a level of 700, so we'll see if that works. Or maybe we're going to do a triangle here and drag this wave 4 out sideways before we go higher. So that's our ideas. Cake up 20% today. That's one Nick likes. SXP up 7%. Not quite a strong rallying out of here. NEO, I mentioned Saturday, could continue higher when it was below 80. That one stays strong. Ethereum, bearish count. We're not playing that at the moment. We still think we're headed to new highs on Ethereum. So again, we're going to trail stops on that. If we could get a buy on stocks, we would be really excited. It'd probably be about crypto. So we're going to watch that a little bit closer. Let's go back and look at some of these individual stocks. I've already got some here. Let's go through them real quick. Here's Mara. Technometer down to 40.9. It's not giving me a solid buy, but I think we're down here at decent levels. Here's MicroStrategy. Same type of chart. 41.75 coming down to a little bit closer. Here's Riot. 38.947. Riot coming down. Gonna spring or test these lows. So again, I don't think it hurt. I think you can nibble here. Still could be a little bit lower. So be prepared for that. Here's SI. Same type of chart. They all look the same. Not oversold, but getting there close. I do not have any buy signals versus OP and price divergences, so nothing there to hold our hat on. But if you're bullish Bitcoin and stocks make a low, these are going to scream back. Let's look at a couple other stocks. Facebook, this one looks interesting to me. We're backing up to a creek that was previously jumped. We are overbought in the technometer, so I can't jump on that one yet. Here's Microsoft. Came back to oversold yesterday. This one being oversold at the highs looks pretty bullish to me. Nvidia. Another one maybe backing up to a creek. Here's Yeti. Another one backing up to a creek. So just a few stock ideas we're looking at. We got a bunch more. If you want those, go to wyckoffsmi.com to Pro Traders, 40 bucks a month. Or if you're in our crypto Discord, you can get in there for only 20 a month. QFIN, we will look at that one. There's Doji coming down to 0.332. I got a 0.33 bid in on some day trades. QFIN, 9-month. I had mentioned that chart looks good, but I thought we'd come back down again to the 20 level. Technometer 47. Want to be long this one. Do not have a buy signal yet. So we'd probably chase strength. Otherwise, we're looking for still lower. There's Doji below 0.33. John H., I just showed Ethereum. I think we're probably in a wave 5 to new highs, so we're going to work on a wave 4. Not sure yet. I'd agree Binance is going to kill the game. Coinbase has to lower their fees. Coinbase, we're looking forward to trading that thing in the future. We need more action here to get some of our indicators starting to fill in. So we're not going to get those for a few more days. But you can see here, made those lows around, what, 310 and 315, 314, 312 this morning. No trades there yet. Coinbase, I think, is just overpriced. Came way too high. Too many insiders selling. Doji, I wouldn't recommend trading Doji to anybody really. I've got a few clients with a lot of it, so we're scalping. We had wrote it up, and now I'm just trying to trade some sideways action. So I bought 33, sold 36. I just bought 33 again. I probably will sell 37. And stand aside maybe. I don't want to get caught with my pants down in that one. Appreciate it, Pedro. Nick and I definitely have done our thing. I guess Nick is not here, so patreon.com/learncrypto. 40 bucks a month. You can pay with crypto if you want to. Reach out to us. Hit up my email or hit Nick or I up on Twitter. What's up, Sniper? Let's go back to Link and the software. Anybody new? Software is 140 plus exchanges, so we're getting a true reading on volume. We have indicators that are proprietary to Wyckoff that are based on 5-minute data. There's Link, new low on the OP, which again is volume. Technometer 41.8. Same type of setup as Ethereum, Bitcoin, our crypto index, etc. So everything Link could work higher. If 33.25 gives away, then we have more downside work to do. Bitcoin 56,320, Ethereum 2296, Litecoin 270. BNB 581, 15% today. Whoa. ZEC USD consolidated. Now here volume has been coming in, supporting the rally. Technometer's 46. So again, I'd key off last night's low, the 209. That thing's been a hog too. Backed up to the creek that it broke, so that one looks good. There's Nick. Nick, I've already went over your buy on BNB. You're long on cake. So anything you want to add, feel free. We've got, I'm guessing now it's, I don't know what it is, 610 people over in the Discord. Let me check that real quick. Yeah, that doesn't include crypto people, so. I don't see really any more questions. Stocks look still a little bit lower. Crypto holding in nicely. Let's see if we can hold the gains. If we get a buy on stocks, and I think you double up on your longs in crypto. I think if people are buying NASDAQ stocks, they're going to be chasing crypto. There's Nick giving away a trade. We just went long Cody, COTI, on some overhead buys. What up, Clifford, the tree man? I don't think Cody's going to be in the software, but we're going to bring it up on TradingView. Let me find that bad boy here. That's Cody BTC. I don't want that. Where are Cody USDT up 25%. He had an overhead buy there that got triggered. Again, I think the worst is over in some of these. That's why we're jumping on some of these. So looks higher. Let's look at XMR, another strong one. We'll go back to the software for XMR. Not a fan of Doji unless you're trading. There's Ethereum at 22.94. Thank you very much. XMR USD. You can see volume going to new highs. So big buy volume behind XMR. That's why we run up here to new highs. Stay long the strong ones. Technometer's overbought, but it doesn't matter. That's too strong a buying. That thing's going to lead us higher. What up, Nordal? Let me give you a wrench. So let's go back here. We got Bitcoin firming up. 3-minute chart on Bitcoin. Last night we had stops at 53,270. So we missed the lows by about $60, I believe, from our previous buys. Now you can see here we're getting ready to tick through the recovery highs here. Ethereum, rock and roll. Ethereum, I had stops at 20.48. So missed that by $5. Thank God our stops held up nicely. Peloton, that probably is a buying opportunity here in the next day or so. I would agree with that. Ran USDT, 88 cents. Let's go back to the 4-hour. Haven't had the nice Binance spike. Nick has been trading that. I'm sure he net profit, but right now he's got a small loss on the last purchase. Not worried about that at the moment. Carrie works out every day, if not runs, so she would know about Peloton, no doubt. Mark on Doji, again, I've been trading it a little short term, just messing around for a few clients. That one scares me. I don't want to get caught in something that could hurt that bad, so we'll shy away. DRGN USD, basically unchanged today. Sideways higher, sideways higher. I would think the low at 20 cents is a good low. I'd be long keying off of that. "40-year class reunion." Whoa. Again, back to the 3-minute chart on Bitcoin. There's since the lows on Saturday. So trying to firm up. Ethereum trades 2,300. Thank you very much. New high for the move after the slap. So Ethereum, new high since the lows. The green arrows are kind of the band where we bought on Saturday. I bought a lot of private client group. We were kind of long from 1960 to 2070. Things were moving way too fast down there, and we had hundreds of orders. So that was a tough one. And again, BMB, Nick picked that up same time, 454, I believe it was, as marked by the green arrow. 455 to 581, that's a big gain. BTT USDT, same type of chart. Not as strong after Saturday's sell-off. I would think still higher, but not the strongest looking. We need volume and volatility to return to Bitcoin to keep this thing moving higher. We got to get that to happen here. Stock market with 28 minutes to go, down 290, bouncing off the lows. That's helping our crypto positions. Still short the S&P. Looking at a few stocks to buy without giving them away because we got people to pay for the trades. Patreon.com/learncrypto. $40 a month for the Patreon. Discord. Pay a Patreon, get a Discord link. If you're too busy or missing these trades, you're going to have to hire us to trade for you, I guess. 3% annual fee. Trade View Manage cannot withdraw or transfer. Done through a trading API. Riot, some of these coins still under pressure today. Coinbase 318 down $15. I'll go back to Litecoin again. Same type of chart as most of these. OP hitting new low, price holding. Technometer around 43. Key off this morning's low. No change there. The If we go back and look at 4-hour Litecoin chart, I think probably this is a 1-2. We're going to dig out of here again and go to higher highs. Or again, the bearish count is, that is a wave 3 ending, and we're doing a larger ABC down to 190 again. So we got to have strength here. 234 has to hold, or we're headed down to 190. Doji surely is going to take some wood somewhere here. Let's go back. Doji right now, 0.321, down 21%. I was out the other night and some girl heard me talking about Bitcoin. She told me that I didn't know what I was doing, that Doji is the coin to be in. I told her she was an idiot, and she walked off. Looked at me like I was a total fool. Let me run a disclaimer here real quick for my regulators.
There is a high degree of risk involved in trading cryptocurrencies. Our thoughts and ideas are for entertainment purposes only. Please consult your personal advisor or do your own research. Past results are not indicative of future returns. Thank you.
What's up, Paul? Paul wants to know about VET. Let's throw VET up here real quick. VET USDT up 8%. Strong coin, that looks higher. Wouldn't be scared of VET. ADA is going to be the same as really as all these coins, I think, now. Here it is in the software. Key off today's low. Technometer 43.7. Nothing strong to add there. Appreciate it, Clifford. Tetru Sadima doesn't know what Elliott waves are. Sorry to hear that. "22 minutes to go. Dow still down 291. NASDAQ down 140 where they've been. Stocks crush, crypto rise. That's not really been my call. I think they moved together. But today, stocks getting crushed, crypto rising. That was our call. Elliott Wave International is a little bit bearish stocks, or I mean bearish crypto at the moment, looking for lower. I don't see that yet. Cody, we just had mentioned that we bought today. Would expect higher. We're getting some new people obviously coming in here now. Bitcoin, we're long from Saturday's smash. P-out. If stocks move down tomorrow, I mean, I guess I would think crypto could back up a little bit still before it gets into high gear. So I'm still worried about stocks working still lower and keeping a lid on crypto. But as stocks close today, you know, Bitcoin could rally a couple thousand and then back up with the stock back up the next day or two. So hard to say. You're reading Wyckoff's original course. Cool. Not sure if you bought that from us because I don't recognize your YouTube name. Looks like I got a little bit of a streaming problem maybe. Hopefully I don't get poor performance here on the YouTube show. I'm pretty well done. We're 40 minutes in. Appreciate the 600 viewers. Give me a like and a share. We try to give a lot of free information away here besides managing assets and also the Discord. We sell courses at wyckoffsmi.com, the original institute started by Mr. Wyckoff. Cool on the book. That'd be nice, Tetru. So Bitcoin back on the 3-minute chart, still here at the highs. Ethereum does a 2310, continuing to lead. Ethereum chart is sweet. You want to be buying when everybody is selling, and you want to sell when everybody's buying. So that's really what we try to do. And we accomplished that Saturday. So going to run a couple commercials on the Discord and the private client group. Otherwise, probably catch you tomorrow here at 2 o'clock, unless we get some major movement before then. Thank you, and I'm out of here.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365, 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100 plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.
Let's see.